All right, I'm here with a 99 4Runner. We're going to go show you the install for MantellaWorks integrated turn signal and fog lights for a 3rd gen 4Runner. Let's get after it. I can show things the best. I'm gonna hop back and forth between the desk and on the car to give the best view of what's going on, since I wasn't talking the whole time while installing. All right, starting off, back behind the turn signal, 2 screws. 1 screw here, 1 screw up here. Get those removed, move on. After removing the stock lights, you're gonna have these little tabs that have to get removed. So as they're out, you grab your light. This will slide right into the bumper. Depending on the paint and how things are, this might take a little bit more force to press in, but the goal is to have it to be a really nice snug fit. And we'll finish pulling it in with the screws in the back. From the back side of the bumper, you take 2 5mm by 16" bolts. With the kits, these will be stainless steel, prevent rusting. Do 1 on each side. To make sure the fit's good, you might have to press on the light to make sure that it sits nice and flush into the bumper. Just go ahead and tighten these down, and you will want to install a little bit of Loctite on these just so they don't rattle out while you're driving. Be careful to not over tighten these. They don't have to be ridiculously tight, especially with the Loctite. Those will hold in place and you'll feel the bezel's super solid. Installing your light pod onto the light bracket is really simple. After putting the bracket onto the light, we're gonna go ahead, slide the bolt through the bracket, use the included washer, and tighten that bolt down. Try not to lose it onto the ground. You go ahead and snug it down, but you don't want it too tight yet because you'll want to aim it once it's installed in the car so that the light is shooting where you want. And at that point, you'll tighten the bolt all the way down so that they won't move anymore. And to give a better view, go ahead and mount the light bracket on with 4 bolts. Again, a little bit of Loctite on these, go a long ways, hold everything in place. That's basically it. Aim the lights side to side, up and down as you see fit, and go hit the trails. Like and subscribe to MantellaWorks here on YouTube. Check out the website, MantellaWorks.com.